In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page URL on Wix. If you're looking to customize or update the URLs of your Wix pages to make them more relevant or SEO friendly, you've come to the right place. I'll guide you through the simple steps to make this change quickly and effectively, ensuring that your new URL meets best practices. Firstly, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome or any other browser that you are comfortable with. Once that's done, in the address bar, you'll want to type in wix.com. After Wix loads, go ahead and click on the login button. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so make sure you have those handy. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard and look for the option to design your site. You'll find a button labeled Design Site. Go ahead and give it a click. Now that you're in the site editor, it's time to focus on the Pages and Menu section. This is crucial because it's where you'll find the list of all your site's pages. Clicking on it will display each page. So if you hover over the specific page you aim to modify, you'll notice a three-dot icon or More button. Click on that. This action opens additional options related to that particular page. Among the set of new options, look for SEO Basics and click on it. Entering the SEO Basics section will bring you to a set of fields. One important field to identify is the URL slug. This is where the magic happens. The current URL slug will be visible here. What you need to do is type in a new slug to replace the existing one. An essential tip here is to use lowercase letters and replace any spaces with hyphens. This practice not only makes your URL cleaner, but also aids search engine optimization, making your site easier to find and navigate. After updating the slug, you'll see a button labeled Done. Click it to save your changes, but don't stop there. There's one final step to ensure your changes go live. Return to the main editor screen and locate the Publish button. By clicking Publish, you confirm that the updated URL slug is now active and functional for your visitors. And there you have it. Your updated page URL for Wix is set and ready to go. Following these steps ensures a smooth transition with minimal disruption, reflecting a more organized and accessible site for your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial